Hello, my name is Akirito. Today I'd like to teach you how to play Why My Guitar Gently Weeps by the Beatles. So first thing first, let me talk with the Japanese viewers for a second. Sorry. 日本語で見られている方はですね、日本語のチュートリアルのバージョンもありますので、この右上のカードからね、ぜひそっちの方に飛んでください。Sorry about that. I'm back. I'm going to tell you how to, teach you this song, okay? So it doesn't really make sense, okay? Right, you get what I mean. So first, I'm going to tell you the chords and everything with numbers. For example, C, I'm going to say 0003 because on top 3 strings doesn't have any fingers on the fretboard, right? So 0 fret, 0 fret, 0 fret. But the first string has finger on the 3rd fret, so 3. Okay, so 0003. And if it's G, I'm going to say like 0232. Yeah, you get the idea, right? And then I'm going to tell you how to play the right hand. This is my suggestion, so you don't have to do it, but I think it's a better way. So maybe you can try. So I'm going to assign fingers to each strings. So with your thumb, put it top of the 4th string. With a point finger, you should put it down part of the 3rd string, with middle finger on the 2nd string, bottom part, and ring finger should be on the 1st string, bottom part. So when I tell you to play the 2nd string, then you have to pluck the middle finger, just bend them, then it sounds, okay? And if you play the top string, then pluck the top string with your thumb, so that you can control which string to pick, right? So when I tell you play all the string, you can pluck everything at the same time. Or I say middle 2 strings, then you can pluck point and middle together. Okay? So this is really handy, so please learn this one as well. I divide this tutorial into 2 videos, and as for parts, I divide them into 3 parts. So this video contains part 1 of the tutorial, okay? So I'm going to play the part 1 so that you can get how it goes in this tutorial. So here we go. I divide this, part 1 into 4 sections. So let's start with the section 1. Section 1 goes like this. So this is a section 1. Okay. The first thing first. This one. 0030 and play top 3 strings. Top string. Then put your ring finger on the 6th fret of the 2nd string. Then when you play it, you slide them up to 8th fret of the 2nd string. Then put your point finger on the 5th fret of the 1st string and slide them to the 6th fret. Okay, up to here it goes like this. The next one is, so pluck the bottom 2 string, with the 0063. And next one is slide your point finger to 5th fret of the 1st string. And put your ring finger on the 6th fret of the 1st string. And next one is like this. So 0053. And play bottom 2 strings. And put your ring finger on the 5th fret of the 1st string, and slide them to 6th fret of the 1st string. Okay, so up to here. Then this one, 0 0 4 8, and with your middle finger, 6th fret of the 1st string, and slide them to 5th fret of the 1st string. So that's the first part. So I'll play it slowly again. Okay, so that was the section 1. Now move on to the section 2. Section 2 goes like this. So this is section 2. First chord is like this. This one, 0 0 3 3, and pluck the bottom 2 string. Then this one, 0 0 11 10, and pluck the bottom 2 string again. So dun dun dun. Yeah, so this one, 0 0 8 6. So pluck, bottom 2 string, top string, 2nd string, then this one, 5 5 6 5. Okay, bar the 5th fret, put your middle finger there. Okay, and down, up, then play the 2nd string, and as you play, you hammer your pinky on the 8th fret of the 2nd string, and take it off and play 2nd string again, then bottom string. Okay, so I will play it slowly. That was the second part. So okay. Okay, so that was the second part. Move on to the next section. Section 3 goes like this. Oh, by the way, section 1 and section 2 are the hardest one in the part 1, so I think you already done most of the part of part 1. Okay, move on to the section 3. This is section 3. It's easy, right? 2 chord. Okay, first chord is E sharp, 0 5 5 3. Then 4 3 2 1, down, up, then G7, 0 2 1 2. Okay, so that's section 3. After section 3, you can play the section 1 and section 2 again, and then section 4. So I will show you how it goes. Oh, section 1. Then section 2. Then move on to section 4. Again, only 3 chords in this section 4. Let's go. D sharp. Okay. 3 3 3 4 6. Okay. By the way, you have to take a look at the finger shape so that you can get which finger to place on each fret. Okay. 3 3 3 6. Okay. Then 0 2 1 3, down down up down, then this one, 0 11 10 10. So that's the section 4 of this song. It's quite easy, right? Now I'm going to show you the part 1 with the section number on it. Here you go. How was it? I think it's easy, right? It's easy song. You know, it seems really hard, but if you break it down into sections, then it's really easy. So please check out the next video I'm going to post. In that video, it will contain part 2 and part 3 of the tutorial. So please check it out. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.